Is this the oldest original Apple unboxing video? I'm curious. I just wanted to put this on YouTube, and I was thinking about it, and I was wondering if anybody had recorded something before 2002 unboxing an Apple product. And I'm not sure if they have or they haven't. I just went on YouTube and did some basic searches. Now, I know people have done modern ones where they take like an unopened box from, back in the day, but that's done now. This was actually filmed in 2002 when I bought my iMac. So and to me, I knew it was enough of a game-changing moment that I wanted it captured on video. And that's why I did it. Now, it's not perfect in that, I was by myself and I didn't have my camera set up on a tripod. So when I actually opened the box and took stuff out of it, I needed both my hands, so I wasn't taking video of that. But bringing it in and turning it on, there's video of that. So, whether someone wants to disqualify it as an unboxing video or not, I don't know. But I think this may be the first Apple unboxing video. But you be the judge. Leave your comments. Thanks. Bye.
Way back in 1986, I got my first video camera as a high school student, and I've been taking video ever since. Hi, my name is Russell Corey, and welcome to my YouTube channel. With over 36 years of video, I hope I got something that you'll enjoy watching. So please like, comment, and subscribe as I share my old videos with you.
So it's February 5th, 2022. And this is a 2002 iMac. And what was great about this iMac was you could actually burn DVDs on it. And here it is. And it has a swivel head. You see that. Now, I'm going to show you my unboxing video. And this is actually from about 20 years ago today. So it's funny, I'm here in my garage, which is a disaster. But it's funny that, you have these computers that mean so much to us. And in the end, they usually get kind of relegated to the garage. But there it is. This thing was a beaut when I had it. I loved it. It really changed my life when Macs went digital. Look at it. This one looked like R2-D2. I think it was on the cover of Time magazine. This one was. It was really a cool computer. Kind of reminded me of Pixar too, the whole Pixar logo with that hinge. It was really a special machine. Then they went to the big flat screens, and they've kind of stayed about the same since then. But I'm going to show you the video from 1990. I'm sorry, 1990. I'm going to show you the video from 2002. Couple things to note. You'll notice on my window there's a triangle-shaped flag. And you also see on my car, there's a flag on my car window. And that was because in February 2002, we weren't that far away from 9/11, from September 11th, 2001. And at the time, everybody wanted to, wave flags and have flags. Well, I'm sort of ashamed to admit it. At the time, I didn't have a flag on me. And so you went to the store to try and buy a flag, but they were all sold out. And what I got instead was, that little diagonal plastic flag that I stuck on my window as a sign of support. And then I had my little car flag window that I drove with for a while. But anyway, be looking for those things. But yeah, at the time I was living, I was a bachelor in Burbank, California. And that was just my little bachelor apartment. And you'll see me get the iMac out of my 1991 Chevy Cavalier Rally Sport, and I drove that car from North Carolina to California. I loaded up with all my stuff, and I drove that car out to California, and I had it from 91 to 2005, and then I bought a 2005 Mustang. Anyway, just a few things to look for in the video. Anyway, enjoy. This is a really special machine. It turns on, but it doesn't really work. I was hoping my kids could play with it, at least watch movies. It had a DVD player in it, so they could watch movies on it if they could, but it doesn't work. But I haven't brought myself to actually get rid of it. I've got rid of other Macs, and it hurts to get rid of them. I got rid of my 92 Mac Classic and my 1998 iMac, and it hurt to get rid of them. They're just so big, and you know, just sort of keeping them. It was too much space, but this guy I'm still holding on to. This was a game changer for me, the 2002 iMac.